SPM, Form 5, Chemistry. Chapter 4, Thermochemistry. In this video, we will summarize the expected learning outcomes of Chapter 4, Thermochemistry in the form of concept map. Thermochemistry is the study of changes in heat energy, which take place during chemical reactions. In this chapter, we will learn more about energy changes in chemical reactions. There are 5 main sections in this chapter. 4.1 Energy changes in chemical reactions. 4.2 Heat of precipitation. 4.3 Heat of displacement. 4.4 Heat of neutralization. 4.5 Heat of combustion. In section 4.1, we will learn about energy changes in chemical reactions. At the end of this section, you should be able to state what exothermic reaction is, state what endothermic reaction is, identify exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Give examples of exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Interrelate energy change with formation and breaking of bonds. Describe the application of knowledge of exothermic and endothermic reactions in everyday life. In section 4.2, we will learn about heat of precipitation. At the end of this section, you should be able to state what heat of reaction is, state what heat of precipitation is, determine the heat of precipitation for a reaction, and construct an energy level diagram for a precipitation reaction. Solve numerical problems related to heat of precipitation. In section 4.3, we will learn about heat of displacement. At the end of this section, you should be able to state what heat of displacement is, determine heat of displacement, and construct the energy level diagram for a displacement reaction. Solve numerical problems related to heat of displacement. In section 4.4, we will learn about heat of neutralization. At the end of this section, you should be able to state what heat of neutralization is, determine the heat of neutralization, and construct energy level diagrams for various types of neutralization reactions. Compare and explain the heat of neutralization for the reaction between a strong acid and a strong alkali, with the heat of neutralization for a reaction between a weak acid and/or a weak alkali. Solve numerical problems related to heat of neutralization. At the end of this chapter, section 4.5, we will learn about heat of combustion. At the end of this section, you should be able to state what heat of combustion is, determine heat of combustion for a reaction, and compare the heat of combustion of various alcohols. State what fuel value is, describe the difference between heats of combustion of various alcohols. Describe the applications of fuel value, compare and contrast fuel values for various fuels. Solve numerical problems related to heat of combustion. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.